Oh boy, guys, look what came in. Oh yeah, it's a nice resin printer.
Hey there everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Sousei, and today we've got something truly exciting to unbox and review. It's the Creality Halot 3D resin printer. I know many of you have been eagerly waiting for this, so let's not waste any more time and dive right into the unboxing experience. Alright, here it is. The moment we've all been waiting for. Let's open this box and see what's inside. First up, we have the user manual, a must-read for getting started with your new Creality Halot. It's always a good idea to familiarize yourself with the instructions. Now let's get to the main event. Ta-da! Here it is, the star of the show, the Creality Halot 3D resin printer itself. Just look at how sleek and stylish it is. We've got a spacious build platform, a high-resolution LCD screen, and a resin vat with a cover to protect your prints from stray UV light. Let's see what else we have in the box. Here's a USB drive with some sample print files to help you get started right away. We also have some gloves for handling resin, a scraper tool for removing prints from the build platform, and a set of funnels for pouring resin back into the bottle. Now that we've unboxed everything, it's time to set up our Creality Halot. I won't go through the entire setup process in this video, but I'll give you a quick overview. To level bed, just take a piece of paper and place it over the LCD screen and the automatic leveling on the printer to help calibrate the printer. Make sure to follow the user manual for detailed setup instructions. It's essential to ensure your printer is properly calibrated for the best results. Before we wrap up this unboxing, let's talk first impressions. The Creality Halot looks incredibly promising with its impressive build quality and feature set. I can't wait to start printing and share my thoughts on its performance in our upcoming review video. That's it for today's unboxing of the Creality Halot 3D resin printer. If you're as excited as I am about this printer and found this video helpful, please do me a favor, give it a thumbs up if you liked what you saw, and if you want to stay updated with our future 3D printing adventures and reviews, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Your support means the world to me. Thank you so much for joining me today. Stay tuned, and until next time, happy printing.